These phones are ridiculously cheap. Ridiculously cheap. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how I personally import phone from China for myself and also for my client. So this is not kind of a tutorial. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I do it step by step, okay? So if you watch the last video I posted before this one that you're watching now, you're going to see that we bought some sort of phone for some clients. Some client reached out to me and told me that they needed some phone, iPhone 13, the other one bought iPhone 12 Pro Max, then the other guy bought a Samsung S25 and all that. So we're able to source for this phone for them, bought it for them, and then ship them. The shipping took only 7 days to arrive. So our shipping is usually from 7 days to 10 days to arrive from China to Nigeria. Okay. If you're in the Western country, like you're in Europe, you're in Germany, you're in UK or other places, then I'll do another video after this one to show you how to buy and ship directly to those other countries. Okay. So, but now we are shipping to Nigeria, right? Because I am in Nigeria, of course. So I buy and ship to Nigeria. So those clients that I bought for, as you can see, we shipped this phone and it got to the warehouse. So I went to the warehouse, as you can see. I went to pick it up from. So I went to this place. I think it came back in Lagos, but because I'm in Abuja, I have to move it way believe from Lagos to Abuja. So we got to the warehouse. I was able to pick it up. It contains about 3 phones. So we have 3 of these phones here. We are going to be unboxing it. One of the owners are coming to pick up their own. Then some of the clients came to pick up their own phone at the park before I left the park. Okay, so but this time around, shit. Here we have about 3 phones here. Okay, I think we had to do with blue, but this is beautiful. Oh, shit. OP.
Yeah, I've seen this one.
And that's him walking away. So happy. So the other guy is in Port Harcourt, the other one is in Kano, and the other guy is in Olo in Owerri. So I had to weigh bill to those places, and then the owners got them, and of course they got their phones and they are very happy. Um, it's almost a brand new phone. So I'm going to show you exactly how I import this phone because recently another client reached out to me. Let me show you. So as you can see, let me go back. This client reached out to me. She said she wants to buy iPhone 12 Pro Max. She wants iPhone 13 and then 14 with full accessories. She wants everything to come back in box and accessories. Okay, so I was able to. She kept calling me. I was really busy that period. I wasn't able to. But yes, today finally I was able to, speak with her. Then I got her the iPhone, the complete accessories, the phone with complete accessories. And then the price is there. This is the price for iPhone 12 Pro Max 256 gig if you're importing it from abroad with the current rate. Fully boxed iPhone 12 Pro Max for this amount, and then fully boxed iPhone 13 Pro Max for this amount. Very, very, very affordable. Current price for 12 Pro Max in Nigeria now should be okay. Let's check it out. Let's even check it out. iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and she got 256 gig. iPhone 12 Pro Max in Nigeria currently. Let's see. 725. See, for fully boxed one, this is fully boxed. This two now, this is 690, 780. You have so the price is, look at, 760. So the least you can get it in Nigeria is for 700,000 for the fully boxed one. This is even 800. You can see that. So this is 830, 700. So it's averagely 700,000. So this price actually changes. Then this is the 14. She later said she doesn't want the 14 anymore. So this is for 12 Pro and then 13, 256 gig. So she said she doesn't want that one. And of course, I gave her my details and then she chose her colors. She said she want black, and then the iPhone 13 should be pink. I think the black 12 Pro Max is for her husband, and then the other one is for herself. And then I was able to get that exact pink for her because I didn't even know that it's a pink. Like, because I was doubting if the pink is going to be available, but I was able to find the pink for
Look,
her.
new,
Let's
new, the
see.
new, new. 14, 1
So beautiful, so beautiful. 256 gig. So this is how the conversation went. She was able to, we did the calculations, and of course, she sent the payment, and that was it. So now the next phase is to place the order. So the first thing I did was to contact suppliers. So to be able to get suppliers, you can buy phone in different platforms. You already know that. But remember, if you go through our training, you're going to learn a whole lot of things about phone, the kind of questions to ask, how to identify original phone, how to know refurbished, how to buy correct phone, so you don't make a mistake. If you're going to be doing this, if you're going to be buying phone, I will encourage you to please take our class. Join the gadget importation training. The link is on the description. When you join the training, you're going to learn everything about phone before you start. You're going to have access to all the contacts. Let me show you this guy. A lot of people go to Pindindo and buy phone. So you have to be very careful. Let me show you some guy. Okay, I think this guy also wants a phone, 14 Pro Max. I'll attend to him later. So look at our general group. This is not even the gadget group. This is our importation group. So a guy came here some days ago. Yes, I've ordered my any phone before. So he said, Sky just sent me a video of the phone. So this guy came to our group. He was complaining. He went to Pindindo and just bought a phone without going through the class. He said the merchant is rejecting the refund. So this is his situation. Let me look for a story. Maybe we should just edit our profile to Chinese. I think it was scam. He said, look at what the guy said. He says, so many scam stories. I'm reading this morning. I'm still battling to recover my money on Pindindo. Ordered for Samsung S10 and was sent a Note 8 with broken screen. Luckily for me, Grace Skyjet found that and all that. So apparently he went to Pindindo and just placed an order for a phone because he saw a phone he liked. Then they scammed him. They sent him something else. So I don't know how he had the problem. So the seller now, when they returned it, if you read the story down here, when they returned it, the seller is claiming that they actually sent the actual phone, but the shipping company is saying no, that they received a broken S Note 8 instead of the S10 that he bought. So now he has lost his money. The people, they are refusing to refund him because they said they sent the actual phone. So there are some questions he was supposed to ask before buying phone. He was supposed to know some things. If he has gotten the IMEI number, all these stories won't be there. So I warned him. The only reason why I'm not commenting on this case, even when he brought it to me, to my DM, is that we have detailed masterclass on gadget importation, which will teach you everything about the phone. But he didn't take the class and he went to buy the phone. So you see, if you must take if you must buy phone, make sure you go through our class to learn. It's not about just jumping to go and buy. You learn what is necessary, what is needed before you jump into the business, okay? And that's aside. So now I did not use Pindindo to buy this phone, okay? There are other platforms where you buy phone, some other trusted platforms. However, in our training group where I mentor you on how to buy phones, I am going to give you contacts of suppliers that I have worked with or that we have worked with. I'm going to give you legit contacts to work with, all right? Where I mentor you on how to buy phones. I am going to give you contacts of suppliers that I have. So after the customer has paid, so the next thing is to order for the phone. So as you can see, I have to contact my supplier and then send the order to my supplier. You can see our chart. Um, this is our chart. I gave this is the phone I showed you earlier. This is my supplier.
Look, new.
Direct from the supplier. This one no be say this is not a joke, bro. Then this is what that customer wants. They want iPhone 12 Pro Max, 256 gig. It has to be black color and it must come with accessories and box, fully boxed. Then iPhone 13 256 gig, also fully boxed. Then my supplier gave me a quotation, which is okay. Then of course we went back and forth, and this is the previous list I sent my supplier. This guy that bought this one is in Abuja. Yeah, in Abuja here, Banex. This guy is in Banex. He bought all of these phones and it has been shipped to him. Then we did our calculation, did everything we did, and of course, I sent money to my supplier, and then the next thing is that they are going to package it. I sent them my address. If you watch the previous video, you're going to see how this address was gotten. I used the shipping company that I'm going to use to ship this phone to Nigeria. Then you can also ship to any part of Africa using the same shipping company. Okay. Then I was able to send all the details. So this supplier now is midnight in China already. By tomorrow morning, they are going to update me with all the details of this shipment, send me pictures of the phone, then send it to my warehouse address. Then once it gets to the warehouse, I am going to ship it. All right. So this is the company that I'm going to be using for shipping. If you check my order, this is the previous order that was shipped. As you can see, picked up, it has been picked up. The last one that we shipped last week. Hello guys, so it's already morning, so let's check out. So this is all stopped yesterday. Now my supplier has sent those items. This is the phone. You can see here, you can see is packaged and sealed. uh Here, this is the iPhone 13 and then the 12 Pro Max. So this is already sealed. I've given them my listing and this is sealed and sent. That has been, the logistic has already picked it up. So let's see the shipping company that we used and see if it's okay. It was received here actually, because the Kitty, yeah, she messaged me. She said, hello, yesterday, good morning, this is Kitty from server by, please confirm the shipping cost. Okay, yeah, she was just asking me to confirm before they ship out. So this is the shipping mark. You can see here it was received in the China warehouse here. Then packing, I confirmed it. Then shipping soon, and it was shipped. You can see the goods has left. So let's check the freights. International freight, yeah. You can see it's an iPhone. It's a battery goods. The tracking. Let's see when it was received, when it left, and all that. So it was received on the 6th of, on the 9th of June, and it was confirmed on the same 9th. Then it was shipped on the same 9th. So give it 7 to 10 days, and then we'll pick it up here in Nigeria. And of course, the customer is going to receive it. I already spoke to the customer. Let me see. I think she chatted me up today, and she was really happy. You can see. So she can see that her goods have been shipped, and of course, she's super excited and can't wait to receive her new phones. So this is basically how it goes. It's just as simple as that. Look at the other one that we shipped, the previous one. You can see, let me show you the logistic information. So you can see that it was received on the 16th, and then it was shipped on the 16th as well. Then it got to Lagos on the 26th. That's exactly 10 days. Then it was sent from Lagos. It was waving from Lagos to Abuja on that same 26th. And I got it in Abuja on 27th. As you can see, I picked up on 27th. So this is how fast and reliable the process is. Very simple. So this is exactly how it goes. So when you actually join, you're going to learn step by step how to do these things yourself. It's really amazing. Here is one of the phone that we got. Let me show you. Very clean. Very, very clean. These phones are ridiculously cheap. Ridiculously cheap. So this is it, guys. So just hit me up if you want to learn how to import gadget by yourself, do everything by yourself, step by step guide, gain access to the contacts. Of course, hit my DM and join the group, and then you begin to learn everything and begin to. I have a lot of people that are already importing by themselves. They took the training and they're already importing. Or if you don't have chance, maybe you're not interested in doing the business, you just want to get a phone for yourself, You want to get a phone for your wife, maybe for your girlfriend, for your father, for your parents, anybody, or for your friends. If you don't have chance, maybe you're not interested in doing the business, you just want to get a phone for yourself, you want to get a phone for your wife, maybe for your girlfriend, for your father, for your parents, anybody, then of course hit me up and let's deal. So if you live abroad, you're not in Nigeria, and maybe in countries, I have a lot of people chatting me from the UK, from Germany, from different part of the world. I'm going to do another video after this one, so you may want to subscribe so that you know when I upload that video. I'm going to show you step by step how to ship from China to any part of the world, wherever you are, whether you're in the US or any other part of the world. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.